Well, the reason it's looking all spotty is that because it's drying. And it's probably going to look dull after it dries. So, I got all of that done. Around here. Up to there, you can see where I haven't done where the Avion words are. It's darker. But I got all the way up on top of the roof over to halfway on the roof. By standing on the ladder, I cut some tree branches here. You can see where I did this corner. You can see how dark the rest of this is. Now I did all the way over to that part that's all crumpled up. A trusted ladder. And then I come out here. My son's got flowers there. And here's a garden. What I've gotten done so far. And I got it watered. Looks like diamonds. Me and my rocks. So yeah, I've got that done. And I watered the plants over here. I still gotta cut the weeds here. I did mow, but there's a lot of roots that come up. So I'm gonna try to figure out if I can put a hammock there. Rigged up somehow. That's the coolest part of the yard. Around my Avion. Got some wicker chairs out here. Sitting near the walnuts that look like palm trees. This is going to be a flower bed. I'm planting cosmos to be about 5-6 foot tall there. Here I have elephant ears, but the bulbs look really puny, and I'm not sure if they'll even come up. So, one of my little calico kittens is missing. Have no idea where it's at. But there you have it. That's what I've been doing today. And tomorrow I'm going to hopefully come out here and I'm going to do this side and wash it. And I'm going to spray that awning, so I'm going to have to move all the plants. And I'm glad I'm doing this before I plant flowers there. So I got the whole front of the house pressure washed. Then I pressure washed all of this. So I only have the front of the Avion and that little strip right up there at the top on that end, and I'll have the whole entire Avion pressure washed. Then I gotta come over here and work on cleaning that pond. Someone said to let it set up like a real pond, but it's looking rather green now, so I gotta do some cleaning. Peace and love, everyone. Bye.